Have you ever felt like no matter what you do, you are stuck in similar problem? You try to stay positive, you read books, you watch videos, maybe you journal and meditate, and has even tried therapy or just tell yourself to move on. But that heavy feeling lingers. The voice of doubt still whispers. You feel like you're going in circles in relationship, in your career, in your inner world. You're not alone. So many of my clients say, I know what to do, but I don't know why. I just can't do it. Let me tell you why. You're not stuck because you're lazy, you're not broken. I used to think I was. I wondered why I kept pushing away the good, why I was always waiting for something to go wrong, why no matter how hard I tried, something kept pulling me back. Then I realized I wasn't failing. I was just carrying the pain I never truly healed. Those heartbreaks, those childhood wounds, belief like I'm not enough, I don't deserve good, and it's not safe to be happy. The truth is, 90% of our life is driven by subconscious mind. The truth is, 90% of our life is driven by subconscious programming. It holds on to every fear, every memory, every buried emotions. So, even if you want love or success and struggle hard, if your subconscious still holds that guilt or shame, you will keep repeating the same story again and again because your outer world reflects what your inner world still believes. Once I saw that, everything shifted. And now I help others to do the same. We all have been told time heals everything. But let's be honest, if that was true, you wouldn't still be feeling the same way because time doesn't heal, but the conscious healing does. That's where I come in. I am Shreyanka. I am a certified life coach and a Ho'oponopono healer. And I have helped professionals just like you break free from years and even decades of emotional pain, reprogram their subconscious mind, and manifest a life full of abundance. Whether it was a heartbreak, a childhood trauma, or a quiet feeling of I am not good enough, we didn't just talk about it, we shifted the energy that was keeping them stuck. The tool I use is called NLP, healing, and many other skills, and reprogram and manifest. NLP, healing, reprogram, and manifest. Advanced manifestation technique, and so on. No digging through the past pain, no reliving the trauma. Instead, we work with energy, we clear the blocks your mind can't always see, and your soul is begging you to release. And I combine those powerful tools like subconscious programming, advanced manifestation, so you don't just heal, you expand. You start to feel calm, clear, and connected. You stop chasing, you start receiving. This isn't just coaching, it's transformation. I have seen it happen again and again. Clients who carried pains for years now feel light, free, and finally aligned. They once thought they couldn't have. And now it's your turn because healing doesn't take time, it takes choice. When you work with me one on one, what if I told you you could live life on your terms, not someday, not when you have earned it, not when the past finally fades on its own, but now, starting today. Because when you heal your inner world, your outer world has no choice but to follow. When you work with me one on one, here's what actually happens. We don't just talk, we reprogram, we don't cope, we clear. We don't force, we align. Imagine this. You walk into work feeling confident, not like an imposter. That promotion, you ask for it and you get it. That constant anxiety, it's replaced with peace. Relationships become smoother. People respect your energy. Money starts flowing, not because you hustled harder, but because you stopped blocking it. And love, it feels effortless, like it was waiting for this version of you to arrive. This is not magic, it's your natural state. Once you stop running outdated emotional software in your subconscious, here is how we get there. We clear the emotional residue of past heartbreaks, rejections, and failures without reliving them. We rewire subconscious mind using NLP and so many techniques. We align your energy with version of you who already has the peace, success, and the love you crave for. And then your reality shifts. If you feel a little pull in your heart right now, like maybe this is what I have been waiting for, then take the first step. Book a free self discovery call with me. We will uncover all the limiting beliefs and all the negative emotions that is holding you, all the patterns, all the negative patterns that is holding you back, and we will see the future how it looks. No pressure, no pitch, just presence and healing, presence and reprogramming, because you deserve to feel free, to feel whole, to feel complete, and it all starts with one choice. See you there.